We're gonna go out on the Ice Age Trail today. I think we'll probably go to County HH. Ready to go, Layla? Come on, keep up. It's good. Layla is still recovering from her ACL. It's been 9 weeks now. She's doing pretty good. She gets sore. Yesterday she was running and jumping in the water, and she was a little sore on that. We iced it last night. She was pretty good on her little walk this morning, but right now we're doing something a little more challenging, uphill, downhill. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead. Okay, you want me to go ahead? And okay, I'll go first. There you go. You follow me. And then we'll just take it easy. This route that we're taking now is probably a mile and a half, maybe 2 miles. We'll see when we get to the end. I forgot to turn on my app to see how far we've been going, but we just stopped for a water break, and we're going to be coming out in about another 15-20 minutes. I think she's probably going to snooze pretty well today. Good job, Layla. Good job. A little over 2 miles. Not a bad hike. Weather was cooperative, and a good amount of DEET kept the mosquitoes off. But really nice hike. Love getting out in the woods.